Recipe: whole wheat spaghetti with shrimp and vegetables. Ingredients: see them in the description. Instructions: cook the whole wheat spaghetti according to the package instructions in boiling salted water. Drain and set aside. In a large skillet, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium-high heat. Add the shrimp and cook until pink and cook through, about 2-3 minutes per side. Remove the shrimp from the skillet and set aside. In the same skillet, add the remaining tablespoon of olive oil and add the minced garlic. Cook for about 30 seconds, or until fragrant. Add the sliced bell peppers, diced zucchini, and sliced mushrooms to the skillet. Sauté until the vegetables are tender but still crisp, about 5 minutes. Add the crushed tomatoes and dried oregano to the skillet. Cook over medium heat for about 10 minutes, or until the sauce slightly thickens. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Add the cooked shrimp back to the tomato and vegetable sauce, and gently stir to combine. Serve the whole wheat spaghetti in individual plates and top with the shrimp and vegetable sauce. Sprinkle with fresh chopped parsley before serving. Enjoy these delicious and healthy whole wheat spaghetti with shrimp and vegetables. This recipe is a great way to enjoy a classic pasta dish with a nutritious twist and plenty of flavor. For more healthy recipes, follow us.